Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to add Agriculture Products IndiaMART Enquiries and leads to Zoho CRM. So I am a seller of agriculture products and farming equipments, and I am promoting my business with the help of IndiaMART, that is an amazing and popular B2B marketplace of India. So my objective is that whenever I am going to receive a new inquiry by a new lead for my business, automatically that same lead should be added in my CRM, that is Zoho CRM. So how we are going to automate this entire process? For this, we will simply set up a connection between IndiaMART and Zoho CRM, and that we are going to do without any coding and programming skills, simply with the help of Pabbly Connect. So if you also want to learn this amazing automation step by step, for that you have to come towards my screen. Welcome to my screen everyone. In this video, I am going to show you how to add IndiaMART leads to Zoho CRM for agriculture products and farming equipments. So I am a seller of agriculture products and equipments of farming, and I'm promoting my products with the help of IndiaMART, that is an amazing and popular B2B marketplace platform for India. So my objective is that whenever I'm going to receive a new inquiry for my business through IndiaMART by a new lead, in order to streamline the process of lead management, I want to add that same lead in Zoho CRM. Okay, so I will have to set up a connection between IndiaMART and Zoho CRM. And to build this connection, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing automation and integration software. Pabbly Connect is going to help us to set up the connection between our work application without any coding and programming skills to automate all our repetitive tasks instantly. So let's get started quickly. Currently, I'm on my home page of Pabbly Connect, where we can reach by tapping pabbly.com/connect in our browser. After coming over here, you will find two options: sign in and sign up for free. So in case if you are a new user, you have to click on sign up for free button to create a free new account for you, and it is going to take just 2 minutes. Also, when you will do that, you will be receiving 100 free tasks every month to explore this amazing software. But in case if you are already an existing user like me, you can directly click on sign in to log into your account, as I am going to do now. This is all app section where we can find all the products which are offered by Pabbly. To create this automation, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So let's click on Access Now. Now it has taken us towards the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, where we can find all our workflows which we have created, and to save the same workflows, we can also create separate folders on our dashboard. Now to create a new workflow, we have to click on this Create Workflow option. As you can see, we have to click on this button. As we have done that, a dialog box is appeared in front of us. It is asking us to provide a name to this workflow. So first of all, I'm going to give a name over here. Add Agriculture Products IndiaMART Enquiries or leads to Zoho CRM. After giving the name to my workflow, I'm going to select the folder in which I want to save it. So you can see we have list of folders over here. So these are all the folders which I have created for different purposes to save different kind of automations. So here, because I am creating this automation to streamline the process of my lead management for IndiaMART, so automations for IndiaMART leads will be my selected folder over here. Then we'll click on Create. As we have done that, you can see two windows are open in front of us. First is the trigger and the other is action. So this is a blank workflow basically, which contains two extremely important windows, and these are the building blocks, or we can say these are the main principles or the concepts on which the entire automation runs. Here the trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. That means the action is the response towards our trigger. So whatever we are going to select in our trigger is going to command the entire workflow, and the actions are going to follow that same command. Therefore, we can have only one trigger in any workflow, but we can add as many action steps as we want. Now, let's suppose here my objective is that whenever I'm going to receive a new inquiry by a new lead for my agriculture products and farming equipment business from IndiaMART, then automatically that lead should be transferred and added in my Zoho CRM account. So for that, I will have to take IndiaMART in trigger and Zoho CRM in action. When we are going to set up a connection between these applications, we will clearly see that actions are going to follow what the trigger commands. Because when the trigger happens, that means when the lead is received, when the inquiry is received by the lead from IndiaMART, then only the details of that lead will be added in Zoho CRM, otherwise not. So after understanding the whole concept of trigger and action, let us quickly start creating our automation. To start with the workflow, first of all, we will go towards our trigger step and we will select our trigger application. So the application will be IndiaMART. Let's select that. Then we have to select the trigger event. Now what is trigger event? Trigger event is the event on the happening of which the workflow is going to trigger or it is going to start. So you can see we have only single option of trigger event over here, that is new leads. This means that now when we have selected it, whenever a new lead will be received in IndiaMART, automatically the response of that lead will be captured inside Pabbly Connect, and that too instantly. Okay, for doing that, first of all we have to set up the connection between IndiaMART and Pabbly Connect, and for this we have to insert a webhook URL inside IndiaMART account. So we have received the webhook URL as you can see, and also we have received some instructions. We have to follow these instructions carefully step by step to set up the connection successfully. So first of all, let's copy the webhook URL as it is going to act as a bridge for transferring the data from IndiaMART of every new lead and every new inquiry towards Pabbly Connect. Okay, I have copied the URL and I'm going to take you towards my IndiaMART account. I have already logged in to that. So now after coming on your IndiaMART account, you have to go towards lead manager from the left side. And after coming over here, you will find 3 lines. That is the menu option. So we'll select that. And over here, we have some other options. Among these options, we have to select import, export leads, and we have to select push API. So let's select that quickly. It is going to take us towards push API integration, where we have to first of all select the source of your leads. So here you have multiple options. You can select any of the options given over here. Let's say I'm going to select other. As we have done that, now it is asking us the webhook listener, where first of all we have to provide the CRM platform name, the platform which we want to connect with IndiaMART. So I'm going to give the name of Pabbly Connect. Then here we have to provide the webhook listener URL as well. That is the webhook URL which we have copied from Pabbly Connect. So I have pasted that. Then we'll click on save details, and now it is asking us please select one of the options. So over here you have to select the specific reason for which you are setting up this connection between IndiaMART and other applications. So let's say here I'm going to select I can easily assign leads to my sales team and manage their performance, because my objective is to add my IndiaMART leads in Zoho CRM so that further I can manage the leads effectively and my team members could follow up the leads related to their specified queries. Okay, so I've selected that. You can select any other option as well according to your choice. Then I will click on generate OTP button, and as we have done that, you can see our webhook is activated over here and it is set up successfully. This means that the connection between IndiaMART and Pabbly Connect is built successfully. Now I'm going to take you towards Pabbly Connect. Over here it is showing waiting for webhook response. So now we have to do a test submission, and how we are going to do that? By simply creating a new inquiry on IndiaMART. So here I have created a user's profile on IndiaMART, and with that user's profile I'm going to send an inquiry to my business on IndiaMART, and as soon as we will do that, a new lead and a new inquiry will be received. Okay, so I'm going to open the profile of the user in incognito mode to send the inquiry. So I have opened the profile of a user in incognito mode, and also I have searched my business. Okay, so now I'm going to click on this contact supplier button to send an inquiry for my business. Okay, through this user's profile. And over here, first of all, I'm going to enter my number. As I told you that I have already created a user profile with some details, such as the name of the user, email address, their location, and the mobile number. So by entering the mobile number of that user, here I'm going to send the inquiry. Now here I'm going to enter my message. So this is my inquiry. As you can see, we are interested in purchasing the following agriculture products. The kind of seeds are hybrid rice seeds, wheat seeds, maize seeds. Fertilizers are urea, DAP, potassium sulfate, and these are the pesticides. Okay, so I'm going to submit this inquiry, and here it is saying that your response is sent to Magnet Brain Software Technology along with your details. So now I'm going to cross this. I'm going to go back towards my IndiaMART account, and over here you can see a new lead is received with some details of ABC company. So this is the name of my company which I have entered while creating the user's profile. Okay, and over here you can see that we have received the inquiry. We are interested in purchasing the following agriculture product seeds, hybrid rice seeds, wheat seeds, etc. So this is the exact query which we have submitted recently. Now I am going to take you towards Pabbly Connect, and we can see that yes, the response is already captured over here for the lead inquiry as well. Here we have the status of the lead as success, and also we have received response unique query ID. Whenever you are going to receive a new lead and a new inquiry, then you are going to receive a unique query ID for each and every lead. Okay, then here we have the subject. This is a default subject. Then we have the state through which this particular lead is received, the details of the leads, the name, phone number, email address, and other details. Okay, so as I told you, I have created a profile of a user. So while creating that profile, I have entered these details. The name of the lead is Smart Lead. Here we have the phone number, the email, and other details. So we have received the exact details over here. Okay, Now here we have received the exact query as well. So this means that the connection is absolutely successful. Now whenever a lead will be received in IndiaMART for our agriculture products and farming equipment business, then automatically the response of that lead and the inquiry will be captured inside Pabbly Connect instantly. Now after receiving this response, I want to transfer this response to create a lead in Zoho CRM. So how we are going to do that? For this we have to set up the connection between Zoho CRM and Pabbly Connect. So let's move towards our action step and we will select Zoho CRM as our action application. Let's quickly select that. Then we have to select the action event, that will be insert or update record. Okay, so I'm going to insert or update record while creating a lead. So I'm going to click on connect now for building this connection. As you can see, I am already logged into my Zoho CRM account, and now we have two options to build the connection: add new connection and select existing connection. So I'm going to go with add new connection to build a new connection with my Zoho CRM account. In case if you already have an existing connection, you can also go with that. Now to build the connection, we have to click on connect with Zoho CRM. As we have done that, it is asking us the domain name. So how we are going to get this? To get your domain name, you just have to go towards your Zoho CRM account and you have to look towards the URL of your account. Okay, so this is my URL, and over here we can see that this is my domain, zoho.com. I will simply copy and paste it over here. Done. In a similar manner, you also have to find out your domain from Zoho CRM account, and we'll click on save now. As we have done that, now Pabbly Connect is asking us for the permission to access my Zoho CRM account. Our data is 100% safe with Pabbly Connect, so fearlessly we can click on accept, as I'm going to do that. And we can see that as we have done that, the authorization has become successful and the connection between Zoho CRM and Pabbly Connect is built successfully. Now here we just have to enter the details in these fields to create a lead. First of all, let's select the module name. What type of module you want to select? Here I want to create a lead in Zoho CRM, so I'm going to select lead as the module name. Then here we have to select the layout, which is already selected as standard. Then we have to enter the details in these fields to create a record, to create a lead inside Zoho CRM. So let's start with the first name. Okay, I have received all the details of the lead which I want to add in Zoho CRM in my earlier response. So instead of entering the details manually, I will simply map the data one by one. First of all, it is asking us the first name. This is my previous response. Here I'm going to search for the name of the lead. And you can see here I have not received the name separately, first name and last name. Okay, I have received the combined name, that is the full name. So what we have to do, because it is asking us the lead name in the separate fields, here I'm going to simply split the name. So I will go up and in between I'm going to click on this add action step button, and I'm going to select text formatter as my action application, which is going to help me to format my text. Here I'm going to select action event, that will be split text. I'm going to split the name and I'm going to convert it into first name and last name separately. Then I'm going to set up the connection, because text formatter is already an inbuilt feature of Pabbly, so the connection is built successfully and easily. Now here it is asking us text to split. Which text you want to split? I want to split the name of the lead which is given over here in my previous response. So I will simply select that and it is mapped. When we map a data like this from our previous response, it becomes dynamic. With each and every new response, automatically it is going to replace now. So now whenever I'm going to receive a new lead from IndiaMART for my business, automatically the details which I'm going to map in these fields, such as the name, is going to replace with the new name of that new lead, and in this way we will automate the entire process. Instead of this, if we will enter the data manually, it will become static and then it is not going to replace. Therefore, to automate the process, we have to map the data. That is very important. Then it is asking us a separator value. What is the value you want to use in order to separate the text? Here I just want to split the name in between. So I'm going to use the space which is given in between the name. So here if it is given in the instruction that in case if you want to use separator as space, you have to use the given tag. So I will simply copy and paste this format over here. Okay, then it is asking a segment index. What segment of this particular text you want? You want first, second, last, or all? I want all, because I want both first name as well as the last name. Then I'm going to click on save and send test request button. Here you can see the name is split. Here we have the first name and the last name separately. So we'll simply map the name over here accordingly. First name first of all, and then the last name. Alright, then here we have the designation. If you want to enter, I'm going to ignore this field because I have not received the designation in my response, and also it is not mandatory. Then I will simply map the email of the lead. Here we have the phone number, fax and mobile. So I'm going to enter the mobile number because I have received mobile number of the lead. Okay, then here it is asking us the lead source. If you want to select any, I'm going to select it as none currently. Then here we have the lead status. So I'm going to select none over here as well. Then when we'll scroll down here, we have some other details such as secondary email of the lead, zip code, state, city. I have received the city of the lead, so I'm going to map the city over here. Okay, here we have the state as well. Then here I do not have the zip code, but I have the country. So I'm going to map the country code over here and done. Okay. Now we are going to click on save and send test request button. In the similar manner, whatever details you have, you can map them according to your choice in the given fields. Some are mandatory and some are not. Here we have the response. As you can see, we have received the response. This means that the lead is successfully created in our Zoho CRM account. So I'm going to take you over there. This is that we are on the lead section currently. And you can see that yes, a new lead is created over here. I'm going to open that lead and we have all the details over here. This means that the connection is absolutely successful. So now I'm going to take you back towards Pabbly Connect, and here we will simply summarize what we have done actually in this workflow. So we have taken very simple steps: trigger in action. In trigger we have taken IndiaMART, and in action we have taken Zoho CRM. And we have connected both of them with the help of Pabbly Connect in such a way that now whenever a new lead will be received from IndiaMART, automatically the name of the lead will be split with the help of text formatter, and automatically the details will be recorded, and that same lead will be created in Zoho CRM. So I hope this amazing automation is clear to you and it is helpful for you. Thank you for watching this video.
Not only these applications, but you can integrate multiple such applications without any coding or programming skills with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can reach out to us at support@pabbly.com. If you want to ask any query, you can reach out to us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, you can reach out to the website given over here. Now, if you find this video helpful, do not forget to share it with your friends. And also please like our video and subscribe our channel for more such amazing automations.